Good morning and welcome in the Dave Embedded System SMT warehouse. Today I would like to expose you about our traceability behavior, because for Dave Embedded System traceability is something extremely important for and benefit customers and the new product introduction in the market. Dave Embedded System is able to trace completely the SMT production in order to provide customers with serial numbers linked to the traceability lots of the single component availability and traceability lot. How we can handle this? Basically, Dave Embedded System has a coded warehouse with barcodes, locations for everything, including the reels. In particular, as you can see, Dave Embedded System is tracing per each reel a unique identification number. With this basic and simple solution, we are able to tell customers about possible reel fault, indicating exactly the serial numbers of the system of modules or single board computers that Dave Embedded System has delivered. With this unique function, we are able to work actively in avionics, medical and military market nowadays. Last but not least, Dave Embedded Systems takes a lot of care about the quality of the environment of the warehouse. So this warehouse is humidity and temperature controlled all over the year, and all the products that require sealings are properly stored and controlled, and eventually baking is introduced as an additional phase in the manufacturing process. So thank you very much for following this short speech, and for more information contact us and visit www.dave.eu.